gums feel better. Want to hold her?
She likes to squeak.
Kind of glad we didn't name. Isabel, I would have paid 3 times as much for this, now that I know she loves it so much. You could do it yourself. Do it yourself. Yeah. She's done all the laughing she's going to do. Hi.
Hi.
There she is. She's like, really, Mom?
I think she's like, I gave you what you wanted. Now back off.
Hey, honey girl, do you want to hold Sophie? Sophie, do you want to hold Sophie?
Love you, sweetheart. She's very serious.
Here you go, honey girl. You can just hang out with Sophie now. And then, when your gums hurt, you can bite her. And it'll make you feel better. I wonder if we try to put this in her mouth.
Maybe. Put that nice little knee. Lead with the knee.
Really?
This is all unusual. Daddy's not the one that has the slate oftentimes. All right.
Oh. You can bite her, and it'll make your gums better.
Yeah. It's like a rib.
There you go.